One of the simplest methods to make money online is just by sharing these free YouTube movies, and I recently made over $7,000. In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can accomplish this using a laptop or smartphone, even if you have a fresh account, and make $1,000 every week. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. Start by going to our website. This is a dashboard where you can keep an eye on your stock's holdings and earnings. They'll also pay you via bank transfer, PayPal, Skrill, WebMoney, or Bitcoin, so you can rest easy about that. It is user-friendly and suitable for novices. The following step is to go to youtube.com. Using the search bar, you can look up anything in these categories. For instance, you might look up words associated with the arts or business, based on what you typically watch on YouTube or what's trending there, such as what's hot in the music or sports areas. You can choose from these categories. Any of these categories can be selected, and then you can look for a term inside that category. You will only be sharing those YouTube videos and keeping the money it makes. You won't be selling anything. For instance, how to lose weight fast search on YouTube may yield a ton of really well-liked videos with millions of views. Since this is a very popular keyword, promoting these YouTube videos will undoubtedly help you earn a sizable sum of money. You should concentrate on videos that are more well-liked in a certain genre, or on keywords and categories that receives a lot of worldwide searches and views. You should focus on videos that get more views, because doing so will increase the amount of money you get for sharing them. You won't get compensated in this way though, unless the videos you distribute are seen at least 100,000 times. By doing this, you may increase your earnings and enhance your outcomes. Let's imagine you utilize this video as an example for step 3. Use this video since you can tell that people are enjoying it. Simply click the play button to begin the video, then scroll down and select share. Clicking the share option will enable you to copy the link that leads to this video. You can access the video URL here. Simply click copy to copy it to your clipboard. Repeat the process, copy the URLs of additional videos, and then return to this page. Since you already have the URL for the video, you simply need to link to the other two. Visit the first website called oki.io. In step 4, there are numerous ways to make payments on our website, including PayPal, Skrill, bank transfer, and many more. After copying the links from YouTube into this box, you will paste them there. But first, create a free account by clicking the sign up button. After creating a username, enter your email address and password twice, and confirming that you are not a robot by clicking the I am not a robot button, clicking the submit button. The new Oki account will appear something like this when you've completed that. You may monitor your earnings, views, and referral earnings here. Simply click the withdraw button at the top of our page to withdraw your funds. When you start earning money on your dashboard, you can choose withdraw and send this website your earnings by clicking that option. How precisely does oki.io operate? So that is how it functions. To get the URL for the YouTube video shortened, just copy it and paste it here. You will get paid after time someone click on that shortened URL. You can earn up to $5 for every 1,000 clicks, which is sizable payout. If you read all the way to the end, I'll explain where and how you may submit those YouTube videos to get paid by oki.io. This could appear a little bit confusing at first, but if you just follow the instructions in this video, by the time you're done, you'll be set and ready to start making money. In step 5, the URL for the YouTube video must be copied once more. You went to the video, selected share, and then the copy button appeared next to it in order to copy the URL. You must paste your link, which points users to that YouTube video. Here, after signing up for an account with oki.io, and then click shorten next to this. The link to the aforementioned YouTube video is provided here. You're going to utilize this URL to shorten 2 more distinct videos, so copy it and save it. Instead of exporting it to Google Docs or Microsoft Word, I would advise leaving this window open and opening tabs for the second and third videos. Return to YouTube and search for a popular video in the same niche as this one that uses the same keyword. Then, return to the second tab of oki.io. Paste the shortened link to the YouTube videos here, and leave the tab open. Open the video and select share, then copy the URL. In the second link you shortened, that video is the second one. Repeat the process one more time. Making money through these 3 links is step 6. To do this, copy the URL for the third movie, open the third tab, paste it here, then select shorten. The template I made for you is available for your usage. You can watch 3 free movies to speed your weight loss by 7 days. We covered weight loss in more detail here. Just return to the main tab of oki.io. Select your first shortened link, copy it and paste it below for the first movie. To paste the second link, return to the second tab and copy it. From the third tab of oki.io, copy the third URL for the third video and then paste it here. Then someone reads this. They'll see that you discuss weight loss and provide a link to a helpful video that they can view for free. Oki.io will pay you each on your links for you to get paid. They don't even have to sign up for anything. Simply distribute this script and your link to anyone you believe might be interested in losing weight. You will begin to notice results right away and begin to make money as you start sharing the script using shortened links. Visit findaforum.net to complete step 7 there. The last option under categories on our website, browse all categories, will take you to a list of every category, each of which has thousands of forums from related themes. You can go to the health section as you're talking about losing weight in your situation. There are 2 categories, dieting and weight loss and fitness and exercise. If you click on dieting and weight loss, a bewildering array of further forums with millions of users will appear. You could, for instance, provide the script to the over 300,000 people in the neighborhood who are thinking about losing weight. Both you and they can use this without paying anything. Due to the fact that you are not attempting to convince them to make a purchase or sign up for anything, you will only get compensated if users choose to watch the uploaded YouTube video. You can register for any of these forums by clicking on their name after copying the script. You can distribute the script there by joining the forum. You don't have to create it yourself because it has already been done. You can make money by posting YouTube videos on those websites, where hundreds of thousands of visitors can notice your script and click on your shortened link. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.